Good afternoon, class. So today we'll be making our first website, showing us how to use links and images. Now, the first thing to do in order to get the links and images is actually open up our browsers and to download some images. Now, I'm going to use an image of a cat and a dog for simplicity. Okay, so just type in cat to the search bar. I'm going to go ahead and make this a little bit bigger so you guys can see. Okay, and now go to Images tab. Let's say this one. This one looks good. Save image as. Then we're going to save it to our desktop for simplicity. I'm going to call it cat. Save. Now look for a picture of a dog. Let's save this one. Save images as. And we're going to call it dog. Save. Now we close our browsers. Here we have a picture of a cat. Here we have a picture of a dog. Let's go ahead and open up our file. So new text document. You don't actually have to name it because we won't be editing it too much, but in case you do worry about it, you can save it after this. I already made a page 1, which is the same as what I put on the website. So I just copied and pasted that while you guys were doing something else. Okay, so I copy and paste V, then click Save As, and I click All Files, then I click and type in page 1. I put page _1, so make sure that you got this correct. And I put the extension .html. Boom, that's page 1. Now, page 1. This is page 1. Now I'm gonna go ahead and delete this and then copy down to page 2, which I also copied from the website earlier. Copy, paste. Notice how I made sure that this is my second page. Notice how I made sure that this says go back to first page. Now I'm gonna change something. This is gonna become a dog, D-O-G, and then you have to change the altered description to dog as well. Bam, now I click File, Save As, put page 2 this time, TWO, all files, change this into .html. Okay, so now there's a page 2. How do we know this works? Well, we don't really. The only way to know that it works is to go ahead and to test it. I'm opening up page 1. Way too large. Bam, what do you see? You see a cat. It says, welcome to my website. The title is my first website. Then go to second page. This is my second page. Go to first page, dog. Notice how the picture didn't load for dog here. Instead it says the alternate descriptions. Now, I can think of one main problem with this. It's probably because I didn't have the correct extension or the correct path. So how do we fix this? Very easy. We'll go back to page 2. Page 2, when I typed in dog, I bet you that I didn't type in the correct file extension. So I'm just going to check the properties of this picture. It's a JPEG, so .jpg. And so that should have been right. Let me just double check. Oh, the source is wrong. So go ahead and copy this file extension. There you go. Now that should be perfect. So I click Control Save As. And then I rename this all files and replace page 2. Always replace it. Now I can go ahead and put that down, minimize that. Click on page 2 this time. Boom, now there's a dog. See? This is your first web page. Your first 2 web pages and your first website. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Now updated. Hope you guys had a good time. Thank you.